So, Mara, what excites you most about completing your last year at the Kingston University?
I think I'm really looking forward to the culmination of everything that I've learned so far. The final year at Kingston University really gives me a chance to apply my learnings and really push my creative boundaries. I think it will also be a great opportunity for me to collaborate with peers who have diverse perspectives. And I think it will be really amazing knowing that each class that I take and every project that I complete will be a step closer to my professional goals and personal development.
How are you preparing yourself academically and personally to go ahead and venture into a new realm of international exposure, Joey?
Honestly, I'd love to say that I'm preparing in a super structured way, but it's a mix of strategic planning and pure chaos. Academically, NMIMS has equipped me with a strong foundation in business strategies and taught us about how the business landscape works in India. And when I go to London, I'm excited about deepening this knowledge. And personally, I think I've worked on my communication skills, and it's amazing how the NMIMS program has given us the opportunity to work on our personal and academic steps for the next level while benefiting from the resources and the strong community that we have here in India.
Wow, that sounds so profound. And what's one thing you're looking forward to experiencing in London, both inside the classroom and outside the classroom?
So inside the classroom, the global student base would give me the chance to interact with students from all across the globe. And I'm really excited to meet my professor, Peter Martin. He's a Harvard Business School graduate. It's like a dream business school, a dream B school for me. And I think getting his insights would be a great learning experience for me.
Invaluable insights.
Yeah. And London is a city that never sleeps. So exploring the city and maybe discovering myself in that process.
And how do you think studying in an international environment will shape your career, your worldview, and your perspective towards business and life?
Okay, so personally for me as a student who is interested in finance and wants to get into the field of finance, being in London, a financial hub, will get me a lot closer. It will help me understand strategies on a personal level, and it will also help me make industry connections, which is a very huge plus point for me.